Hello everyone, myself Karima Mittal, and today I'm going to start with my video on binary operations, okay, arithmetic operations of binary numbers. So, as we already discussed, binary is a base 2 number system that uses two states 0 and 1 to represent a number. So, is an essential part. Binary arithmetic is an essential part of various digital systems. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide binary numbers using various methods, and these operations are much easier than decimal arithmetic operations. Why? Because binary system has only two digits 0 and 1. That's why binary is a base 2 number system. Okay, so we will discuss here we will discuss here operations binary operations binary operations means in this in this in this we will discuss binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. First of all, we will start with binary addition. Binary addition, right? So, as as decimal addition, binary addition also generates two outputs as sum and carry, right? So there are some rules for binary addition. When we add two binary numbers like 0 plus 0, then we will get sum equals to 0, carry equals to 0. Next, if we will add 0 with 1, then we get sum is 1, carry is 0. If we will add 1 with 0, then we will get sum is 1, carry is 0. Now we will add 1 with 1, then we will get sum is 0, carry is 1. Means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, these are two inputs, and if you want to add these inputs, then you will get output in the form of sum and carry. 0 plus 0 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. But in the last case, where you will add 1 plus with 1, then you will get sum is 0 and carry is 1. It means 1 0. It means answer is 1 0. Right? So now we will take one example to understand this concept. Question 1. Right? So question 1 is add add the following. Add the following 11010 plus 11100. Means these are binary numbers, and we have to add these two numbers. Okay, so what will be the solution of it? Let's see. 11010 11100. So yes, now we will apply binary addition rules on this. So we will get the result. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, sum is 0. Sum is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Now 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, sum is this. So we will write LSB as sum and MSB of these digits as carry. तो यहाँ पे आपका जो कैरी है वो क्या फॉरवर्ड हो गया? 1 1, राइट? मीन्स जो आपका 10 आता है 1 प्लस 1 ऐड करने के बाद, तो उसका जो LSB है वो एज अ सम ट्रीट होगा, और जो ये 1 है वो एज अ कैरी ट्रीट होगा, राइट? अब नाउ 1 प्लस 1 अगेन 1 प्लस 1 1 0. Then we will add this carry into LSB 1. So we will write 0 plus 1 1. 1 is this as it is. So final result of this addition 1 1. So this will be the answer of my binary addition. Let us consider another example. At another example, 1 0 1 0 1 1 plus 1 1 0 1 0 1. Right. So we have to perform this. So you have to write solution 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. So listen to me carefully. Now 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0. We will write LSB of this 1 0 here, and carry will be forwarded. Carry will be forwarded. Right. So now we will add 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 as 1, sum is 1. Now with this sum will be added to this carry. ठीक है, तो 1 plus sum is 1 and sum 1 is added with this 1, so we will get 0. Now carry will be 1. राइट, 0 plus 1 सम 1, सम की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे 1, और उस सम को आप किसके साथ ऐड करोगे, इस कैरी के साथ. तो 1 plus 1 0 विथ कैरी 1. 1 plus 0 सम की वैल्यू क्या है 1, और उस सम को आप किसके साथ ऐड करेंगे, इस कैरी के साथ. तो 1 plus 1 0 0 एंड कैरी इज 1. नाउ 0 plus 1 1, 1 की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी, सम की वैल्यू 1, 1 को आप इस कैरी के साथ ऐड करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट 0 एज सम एंड 1 इज 1 एज कैरी. नाउ 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 will be added with this carry means 1. 1 0 plus 1 means 1 1. So this will be the answer of binary addition. Right, now we will move to binary subtraction. So there are some rules for binary subtraction. Binary subtractions. So firstly we will discuss these rules for binary subtraction. So 0 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0, binary subtraction. Binary subtraction, 0 minus 0. As binary addition, binary subtraction also give two outputs as difference, and as borrow. Borrow. Right? So 0 minus 0, difference and borrow. 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1. 1 minus 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1, difference is 0, borrow is 0. Right? So 0 minus 1 means you are subtracting greater number from smaller number. So you have to take borrow from next higher bit. Okay, so you will get difference as 1 and borrow as 1. Right. So now let us consider one example for this. One example for this. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. 1 0 1 0 minus 0 1 0 1. So now we will write here 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Firstly, you have to subtract 0 minus 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So we have to take borrow from this number. From this number. Okay. सो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 10 और ये क्या हो जाएगी 0, क्योंकि इसने अपना ये 1 इसको दे दिया, तो ये क्या बन गया 10 और ये यहाँ पे 1 से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया तो ये 0 हो गई। अब 10 में से 1 गया, 10 मीन्स 10 इट मीन्स 2, तो 2 में से 1 गया तो क्या मिलेगा 1। 0 माइनस 0 0। अब यहाँ पे 0 माइनस 1 फिर से वही कंडीशन अकर हो गई, तो अब आप यहाँ पे फिर से क्या लोगे, अपने नेक्स्ट हायर बिट से फिर बोरो लोगे, तो ये क्या हो जाएगी 10 और ये क्या हो जाएगी 0। तो 10 माइनस 1 2 माइनस 1 10 मीन्स 2, 2 माइनस 1 मीन्स 1 and 0 minus 0 means 0. So this will be the answer. Okay, so we will meet in the next class to do binary multiplication and binary division. And जब तक आपके लिए एक होमवर्क है, होमवर्क क्या है और इसके आंसर्स आप मुझे कमेंट्स में लिखकर बताएंगे। होमवर्क है आपको परफॉर्म परफॉर्म 10 प्लस 01000101. Next is 1100 100 minus 1100 10. So class जो आप अपने आंसर कमेंट्स में लिखेंगे. We will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.